This video was created for educational purposes only and is not a financial recommendation. All actions with finances are everyone's personal responsibility. Make sure you understand the risks and are prepared for them before you begin. You don't have to understand charts to start understanding what's going on in the market. Hi, my name is Joe, and I've been learning trading for over 17 years. And in that time, I've made sure that the most important thing is not dexterity, but thinking. Today, like me, you have an assistant, AI Bot, a tool that my team and I created to remove chaos and leave only the most important things: observation, logic, and clarity. It doesn't trade or guess. It reminds you where to look and why, especially if you're just starting out. If you want to approach the market as a system you can understand and not fear, watch this video. It's all step-by-step, no complicated words. Let's go. Before we continue, I want to briefly answer a question that I get asked almost every day. Joe, what if I have no experience? How can I start without knowing all these charts and terms? My answer is always the same. Start by observing. That's exactly what my community members do. They watch my actions in real time, ask questions, and use an AI-powered assistant, the same AI bot that my team and I put together based on real trading experience. AI bot doesn't trade for you. It shows you what to pay attention to, where there's logic, and where there's noise. Everything happens in an understandable way, without overloading you. It's available at the link in the attached comment. Even if you've never analyzed the market, you can get involved step by step. Inside the community, we have live streams, support, and a relaxed pace that may be suitable for a beginner. Link in the pinned comment. Stop by, check it out, ask questions, and feel like you're not alone at the beginning. Now, let's get on with it. Practice is ahead. Today, I'll show you how you can work with the market calmly, step by step, without overload in complicated terms. On the screen is my assistant, an AI tool. It helps me analyze the chart and tells me what to pay attention to. It doesn't trade for me. I make my own decisions, but with its help, it is easier to navigate. Are you ready? Then let's get started. Right now, the bot is showing that the chart first went up a lot and then stopped. This means that the move could change. You can see on the screen that the price is reversing a bit. I decide to follow this logic and open down. Let's see how the market reacts. The beginning is encouraging. The bot showed a possible reversal in time. Let's move on. Now the tool shows another thing. The chart fell a bit at first and then started to rise. This could mean that interest in growth is returning. I decide to open to the upside. Everything looks logical. Looks like good timing again. The assistant saw the movement and we reacted in time. How's that for you? Most people keep looking for easy solutions and end up going in circles over and over again. They look from the outside, doubt, and miss the opportunity to try something new and clear. I work with an AI-based tool that helps simplify market observation. It doesn't make decisions for you, but suggests what to pay attention to when it's hard to distinguish the main thing in the flow of information. In my community, you'll find an explanation of how modern algorithms work, instructions that will be suitable even for those who've not encountered it before, examples and market case studies, and access to an AI tool that helps you think structurally. If you're interested in seeing how it works, the link is in the pinned comment below. Join to understand how decision-making works in a relaxed format. And we continue. The chart went up again and then started to reverse. Such moments usually require attention. Maybe the downward movement will continue. I decide to open the trade down again as the assistant advises. And everything worked again. It's important not to rush, but to observe the behavior of the chart. Then the decisions turn out to be informed. Now you can see on the screen how after a short pause, the chart moved up again. This may indicate that the participants have started buying again. I open on the upside, guided by these observations. Great timing to see how you can use signals like this. Let's move on. After a short rise, the assistant shows that the chart has started to change direction. This could be a sign that the rise is slowing down. I open down and continue to watch. The decision was timely. The chart did go down. It's nice when things follow a clear logic. The screen shows that the chart stayed at one level for a long time and then went sharply down. The AI tool shows that this could be the start of a new move. I open to the downside. Moments like this are especially important. They often set the overall direction. Let's keep going. A final example. This chart went down a bit and then started to rise. The assistant thinks that this may be the beginning of an uptrend. I decide to open up. Great completion. All the steps were deliberate and clear. No guesswork or pressure. If you're interested in figuring out how this approach works, you can see more in my community, and we summarize the results. What do you think? Previously, such technologies were only used by large banks and analytical companies. Now you can try their capabilities yourself in a calm, understandable way. We've developed a tool that helps to analyze the market without unnecessary noise and overload. It doesn't give forecasts, but helps you focus on logic. In the community, you'll find step-by-step explanations of algorithms, examples of how AI helps you notice important signals, a calm community where you can ask questions, and access to the tool itself to see how it works. The link is in the pinned comment. Check it out if you want to understand how it works. See you there. Bye-bye.